As a craftsman, you have to be versatile and need flexible helpers. The Lyra dry lead refills offer you the right solution for every need. With this selection of different leads, you're ready for any job. Simply replace the lead and off you go. No matter what you need to mark, you're always on the safe side. Even if things get rough. Whether you work with wood, or with stone, from now on, you'll always have the right lead with you. No matter what challenge awaits you. Be prepared for anything with dry lead refills from Lyra.